Hello friends, myself Dr. Urmila Rawat, a warm welcomes in my YouTube channel. Friends, today's topic is types and components of information literacy. Please watch the video till the end. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my channel to your friends as well as students. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Then you will able to receive the notification. So let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is types of information literacy and its components. So here are the examples of information literacy. First one is media literacy, second is network literacy, third one is computer literacy, then traditional alphabetic literacy, library instruction, cultural literacy and visual literacy. So friends, before we start the topic, let's understand about the main media. The main media is print and non-print media. The books, maps, pamphlets, periodical articles and government documents extra comes under the print media. Then e-books, CD-ROMs, DVD, web pages, web links, online journals and online resources comes under the non-print media. So let's look back the some examples of media. Books, newspaper and magazines are the examples of print media. Then movies, television shows and web series are the example of images. Then video games, internet, email, cell phones are the examples of digital media. And radio and music are the examples of sound media. So the media literacy. Here are some examples of media. First one, let's look the print media. Print media found in 15, then television, radio, cinema, recordings, internet and mobiles. All these are media literacy. Then second one is technology literacy. Definition is technology literacy is the ability or responsibility use appropriate technology to communicate, to solve the problems and access, manage, integrate, evaluate, design and create information to improve learning in all subject area. Then computer literacy. Computer literacy refers to a knowledge of the non-technical and low technical aspects of the capabilities and limitations of computers and of the social, vocational and educational implication of computers. So, what is computer literacy? Computer related terminology, then hardware and software related basic knowledge, then basic operating system functionality, then file management, using the internet and understanding related issues, and last but not least is productivity application. Then digital literacy. So digital literacy is an important entitlement for all young people in an increasingly digital culture. It furnishes children and young people with the skills, knowledge, and understanding that will help them to take a full and active part in social, cultural, economic, civic, and intellectual life now and then in the future. Here are some functions of digital literacy like creativity, critical thinking and evaluation, then cultural and social understanding, collaboration, the ability to find and select information, effective communication, e-safety, and functional skills. Visual literacy. According to American Library Association, visual literacy is a set of abilities that enables an individual to effectively find, interpret, evaluate, use and create images and visual media. So, visual literacy, the term visual literacy was first coined in 1969 by John Dewey. So, visual literacy is a set of abilities that enables an individual to effectively find, interpret, evaluate, use, and create images and visual media. Images and visual media may include photographs, illustrations, drawings, maps, diagrams, advertisement, and other visual messages and representation, both still and moving. The component of visual literacy is find images, interpret and analyze images, evaluate images, use images effectively, then create visual media, use images ethically and cite, and then define image need. All these are component of visual literacy. Then library literacy. Library literacy means understands about library collection and its services. So first one is library collection. How to find and search information, then how to use information. These all are about library collection. Then reference services, issue return services, CAS services, STI services, interlibrary loan services. All these services are related to library services. And what is culture? Culture is a system of values into bracket abstract ideas about what a group believes to be good, right and desirable, and norms into bracket the social rules and guidelines that prescribe appropriate behavior in particular situations that are shared among a group of people and that when taken together constitute a design for living. So this is about a culture. Then a society is a group of people who share a common set of values and norms. So cultural literacy is the ability to understand and appreciate the similarities and differences in the customs, values and beliefs of one's own culture and cultures of other. So friends, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share to my channels to your dear friends.